Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. And my name is Carl. From our previous video, we showed you how our BPOs, construction firms, payroll outsourcing, and manufacturing clients set up their Hier Payroll accounts to automate their timekeeping and payroll processing. And now, I will show you how our clients in food and beverages industry set up their Hier Payroll during our implementation period. This is Payroll System Setup for Biggest Industries Part 5, Food and Beverages. Before diving into our topic, consider subscribing if you haven't done so. And in that way, you'll stay updated with informative HR videos and tutorials. First is regarding ulit sa biometric devices na naka-deploy sa branches nationwide. Let's say si Restaurant A is a growing restaurant with multiple branches nationwide like in Bulacan, Pampanga, and Quezon City. Pero nasa Taguig yung main office. So, nagde-deploy tayo ng isang biometrics per branch. Since cloud-based si Hier Payroll, we can automate the syncing from devices to system. Every time may magka-punch in or magka-punch out, on a real-time basis, magsisync agad yung logs to the system for all branches. And now, let's proceed with the system. This is Hier Payroll admin account. We have various setup modules that you can configure based on your company policies. And for our industry today, which is food and beverages, first is sa daily schedule ni Hier Payroll. Restaurant A's HR can create various schedules that can be tagged to specific group of employees as their default shifts. If shifting yung mga employees, may way tayo sa loob ng system para ma-update yung shift nila just for a certain date range. Pwede rin through Excel para one-time upload na lang. Restaurant A crews have a shift from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pero 9 a.m. to 11 and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. should be part of their break. And we can configure that to Hier Payroll. Second is holidays. Restaurant A HR can create locations that can be tagged to specific group of employees if nasaan yung mga branches nila. These locations can be used also on holidays. By default, uploaded na sa system yung national holidays. Pero sa special holidays sa branches ni Restaurant A, from Pampanga, Bulacan, and Quezon City, pwede tayo makapag-create ng Pampanga Day every May 7th, Bulacan Day every September 10th, and Quezon City Day every August 19th. And pwede natin matag na yung mga nasa specific location lang yung magiging affected ng mga newly created holidays. Third is pay items. Restaurant A has different types of earnings and deduction sa mga employees like tips, product deduction, uniform deductions, and others. Pwede natin magawa lahat ng pay items na ginagamit ni HR on their payroll na magre-reflect sa mga payslip ng mga employees and payroll register na kailangan ni accounting. Fourth is users. Pwede tayong makapag-create ng different users. Sa case ni Restaurant A, yung mga managers for different branch ang gagawa ng schedule ng mga staff nila. Sila rin ang gagawa ng filings like leave and overtime. Since Hier Payroll supports unlimited users, pwede natin magawan ng users ng bawat managers with different modules and employees ang pwede lang nila ma-access sa loob ng system. And of course, a very user-friendly, digitized employee-to-own file. From primary information, address ng employee, human resources information, compensation and benefits. Restaurant A has weekly, semi-monthly, and monthly payroll frequency, and also has daily paid and monthly paid employees. and all of that can be configured to Hier Payroll. And different reports that can be used by the HRs, timekeeper, and accounting of Restaurant A. From payslips na pwede natin masend to all employees via email in just one click, payroll registers, payroll journals, or any government and company reports. So, sa basic setup, you can configure to Hier Payroll for the food and beverages industry. If you are working on the same industry and you would like to discuss more about your policies, you can contact us on the details below para mapag-usapan natin if kaya natin ma-automate yung whole process nyo. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos ni Hier that are related to HR, payroll, and employees. Bye!